A dioecious flowering plant prevents both option A, autogamy and geitonogamy. Now, in dioecious plants, male and female flowers are born on separate plants. And this separation ensures that autogamy, that is, self-pollination, cannot occur because a single flower cannot produce both pollen and ovules. And geitonogamy, that is, transfer of pollen between different flowers on the same plant, is also prevented because male and female flowers are on different plants. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, geitonogamy and xenogamy. Now, while dioecious plants prevent geitonogamy, but they promote xenogamy, that is, cross-pollination between different plants to ensure reproduction. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, cleistogamy and xenogamy. It is incorrect because cleistogamy, that is, pollination within closed flowers, is unrelated to the dioecious flower, and xenogamy is not prevented in dioecious plants. Option D, autogamy and xenogamy. Now, dioecious plants prevent autogamy, but as already stated, they encourage xenogamy. Hence, it is incorrect.